Next question, I'll say this belongs to type 2. To find one unknown. Students, this question was asked in the year 2016. Okay, using remainder theorem, I've written in short form, using remainder theorem, find value of k. This k is a unknown which we need to find. Okay, if on dividing, that means this is a concerned polynomial and this is our dividend. We need to divide this, and see here we have k, we need to find the value of this k by x minus 2. So this x minus 2 is what? It is our divisor. It is a divisor. We have to divide this by x minus 2. Something more is given. See, I'll read the full sentence again. If on dividing this polynomial by x minus 2 leaves a remainder 7. Okay, great. This time they have given to us the remainder also. Okay, how to start with? Now see here. Our first case will be, we will first see that a polynomial is given and there is no name of this polynomial. Okay, name is not given. So I'll write here let. I'll name it up. My favorite name f. So fx. Name of the function is f, and why x? Because it deals with the variable x. Let fx is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5. 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5. Okay, this is our dividend. This is our dividend. We need to divide this by x minus 2. So x minus 2 is our divisor. Our first thing in the entire chapter is to put the divisor equal to 0. To equate the divisor as 0. So let x minus 2 is equal to 0. Always we have to do. So therefore, when minus 2 goes there, it becomes plus 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Now I just have to substitute wherever x I have, I just substitute 2. This is called as remainder theorem. Okay. So wherever I have x, at the place of x 2 cube, 2 square, k into 2, and then plus 5 will be as it is same. Okay, I am doing the substitution. See on the board. Therefore, f of 2, at the place of x I substitute 2. 2 x cube at the place of x 2. So 2 cube. Then plus 3 into 2 square minus k at the place of x 2 plus 5. 2 का cube is 8. 2 का cube is 8. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 का square is 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 2k plus 5. Now let's add 16 plus 12 is how much? 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 plus 1 is 28 plus 5 also we have here. So if I add plus 5 to this 28, it comes to what? 33. So I'll write here 33 minus 2k as it is copied over here. So I got my answer of f of 2 as 33 minus 2k. Okay, now students, please wait over here. This is the first time I'm teaching you this. See this extra information given to us over here. Please see this. Leaves a remainder 7. In our case, I can say this is my remainder. Yes, whatever is left, we say this is a remainder. We cannot solve further because k is unknown. But can I say they are telling to us, Arey Baba, when you will divide this by x minus 2, in other words, when you will put at the place of x2 in this, you will get the remainder as 7. That means we need to use this 7 to get the unknown value of k. That means this orange box what we got, which is a remainder, this is equal to this 7 because this is also a remainder. This both are a remainder. So we have to equate 33 minus 2k with this 7 and we will get the unknown. So there is a format. There is a procedure how to do it. See this, how to write it. But remainder is equal to 7. But remainder is given as 7. So at the place of f of 2, we will substitute this 7. At the place of f of 2, I'll substitute this 7. So therefore, at the place of f of 2, I'll write 7 is equal to 33 minus 2k. Now minus 2k comes on this side to becomes plus 2k. Therefore 2k is equal to 33 minus 7. Therefore 2k is equal to 33 minus 7. What's the answer? It's 26. 2 ones are 2 13s are. So k is equal to 13. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and start doing it. Next question, the same from type 2. A type 2 to find one unknown. The second question of type 2, find the value of k. This k is our unknown, the one unknown which we need to find. If x minus 2, see here students, if x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So here x minus 2 is like a divisor, We are dividing what? This x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. So this polynomial is a dividend, and we are dividing this by this divisor x minus 2. Okay. But something is given here. Please see a very important case. First time we are looking here. Find the value of k if x minus 2 is a factor. I'll mark a star over here. Find the value of k if x minus 2 is a factor of this. It's already given to us that x minus 2 को जब आप divide करोगे, when I divide this whole polynomial, if I divide this x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10 by x minus 2, so the remainder will be 0. Why 0? It's given to us that it's a factor. Factor means remainder is 0. Whatever is the case between, remainder is 0. Understanding, students? So this is the biggest detail given to us. The word factor indicates that remainder is 0. Okay, now let's start. Okay, let's start now. This question, students, was asked in the board exams of 2011. Be careful, this was asked in the board exams of 2011. I'll start the question. First, I'll substitute my given polynomial, the dividend, as fx. Let fx, the name is f, and x because it deals with x. X cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. X cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. And the one of the thing which we do in all our questions is, here it's given that we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 2. So we always equate our divisor by 0. So let x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Either we can write let, or even you can write put x minus 2 equal to 0. It's one and the same. Okay. It's one and the same. Put x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, I'll write here. I don't have place, that's why I'm writing here. You have to write one below another. Therefore, x will be equal to 2. Minus 2 comes here. So x will be equal to 2. Now that means, using remainder theorem, at the place of x, I'll substitute x as 2 over here. Okay, let's start. I'll copy my polynomial. My fx is how much? X cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. F of 2. जहाँ पे x, I'll just substitute 2 over here. This becomes 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 10. Okay, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 2k plus 10. Okay, now if I see here, 8 plus 8, it's 16. Okay, I cannot include this because it's a minus 2k. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 plus 10, it is how much? 26. So I can write here 26 minus 2k is the answer of f of 2. That means, students, this is a remainder. This is a remainder. I cannot solve it further because I don't know the value of k. But students, as I explained you, it's given to me that when x minus 2 is divided by this polynomial, it behaves like it's factor. So factor means remainder is 0. So I'll write here, but x minus 2 is a factor. But x minus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. The name of a polynomial is fx. So I'll write here fx. X minus 2 is a factor of a given polynomial fx. Therefore what will happen? Therefore, this f of 2 will be 0. Therefore, at the place of f of 2, I'll just put 0. Okay, see here, 0 is equal to 26 minus 2k. Minus 2k comes on this side, becomes plus 2k. Therefore, 2k is equal to 26. 2 ones are 2 13s are. Therefore, k is equal to 13. So my value of k is 13. Okay, we are done with our first part. A small part is left over here. Hence, determine if x plus 5 is also a factor. Okay, it's pretty simple. Whenever we need to find anything as a factor or not, what we have to do, we just have to equate the divisor by 0. So our now new divisor is x plus 5. The polynomial, the dividend remains same. So put x plus 5 as what? At 0. This was our first sub question. Now we are solving our second sub question over here. Okay, now put x plus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, can I say x ka value becomes minus 5? Yes, x becomes minus 5. Now that's it. In our polynomial, we'll just substitute. So I'll write here. I don't have plates, that's why I'm writing on the right hand side. My polynomial fx given to me is x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10 minus kx plus 10. Students, pay attention here, pay attention. Here originally I was having a k, but right now I got the value of k. My value of k is 13. So at the place of k, I need to substitute its value. So now I'll substitute first. So this becomes f of x is x cube plus 2x square minus 13x. At the place of k, substitute, okay, plus 10. Now what I need to do is, please pay attention here, I need to do is, at the place of x, wherever I have x, I'll just substitute the value of x as minus 5. That means, in other words, I'm dividing this polynomial by x plus 5. Okay, f of minus 5. Minus 5 the whole cube plus 2 into minus 5 the whole square minus 13 into minus 5 plus 10. At the place of x minus 5, wherever x minus 5. Okay, so f of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 ka cube. It's a basic thing. Whenever we have a negative number and an odd power, so minus sign remains. So our answer will be in minus. And 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here I have a negative number in the bracket, but power is even. So now the answer will be positive. So 5 ka square is 25. 25 2s are 50. So plus 50. Okay. Next will be minus 13 multiplied by minus 5. Minus minus becomes plus. So plus 13 5s are is 65 plus 10. Okay. So now this minus 125 remains as it is plus, okay, 10 plus 50 is 60 and 60 plus 65 is 120, 125. So plus 125. So minus 125 plus 25, my answer is 0. So students, my remainder, this is my remainder, this remainder came as 0. So because my remainder is 0 now, so what I will say, that because remainder is 0, that means the x plus 5, in our case this one, x plus 5 is the factor of a given polynomial. So we have to write this thing in a statement form, that x plus 5 is a factor. Yes, x plus 5 is a factor of a given polynomial. Therefore, x plus 5 is a factor of given polynomial whose name is fx. The only key point over here is we need to substitute at the place of k 13, because I got the value of k as 13. Okay, please do it, students.